What are payments on account? If you complete a self-assessment, payments on account are something you need to know about. Basically, you will make payments on account if you complete your self-assessment and owe more than £1,000 to HMRC in tax, or less than 80% of your tax bill has already been collected at source, such as through employment. HMRC created payments on account to help spread the cost of the year's tax. But the first time you pay them, they can feel like a right pain in the you know what. You are essentially paying off some of your next tax bill in advance before you've even earned the income. The cheek. Well, we'll take a look at an example to help you understand how this works. Now let's assume that your tax bill comes to £2,000. HMRC works on the basis that you owe an identical amount the following year and will ask you to pay half of it in advance. So as well as paying your £2,000 bill before 31st of January, you will also need to pay a further £1,000 towards next year's bill at the same time. You'll then need to pay the other half, the remaining of the £1,000, before 31st of July in the same year. This can obviously cause issues for your cash flow, especially if your profits reduce the following year. You'll sometimes end up paying a lot more in tax than you actually owe. Not to worry though, if you do anticipate a drop in business, you can ask HMRC to reduce your payments on account by filing an SA303 form. But be sure to speak to your accountant before you do this, as if you reduce your payments too much and underpay, HMRC will demand the difference straight away, what's known as a balancing payment. Now, this is the danger with payments made on the basis of predicted earnings. In reality, your income each year is likely to fluctuate. You may also end up paying interest on top. If you do get caught out by payments on account, for example, the first time you need to pay them, you might be able to give yourself some breathing room by making a time to pay agreement with HMRC. You can avoid this scenario altogether by planning ahead and putting money away throughout the year. If you have any questions about payments on account, please leave us a comment. And please hit that subscribe button to see more business finance content just like this. Thanks for watching.